Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Pionex application on your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then go ahead and open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now within the search box, just type in and search for Pionex. Once you find the application, just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Pionex crypto trading bot application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once you see the open button, just tap on it to open up the application. And now the Pionex application has been installed on your smartphone. You can either sign in to your existing account or sign up and create a new account by tapping on either of those options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Pionex application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.